Hello, everyone. This is Corbin Moss, and I'm part of Group 5 and going over use case 3 for Dick's Sporting Goods. So, as we can see, for the use cases, we have the descriptive, predictive, and the prescriptive questions. And the first two descriptive are identifying climate related risk and opportunities and how to reduce waste as the company grows. For predictive, we're going to conduct climate scenario analysis to assess potential impact based on possible future climate scenarios. And the second one for predictive is going to be exploration of alternative options for single-use plastic bags. For the two prescriptive, we're going to incentives to customers for sustainable choices, and we're going to improve climate management processes. So now we're going brainstorming different data sources, and from this we can see internal structure data that we're going to use. The three are going to be reward program effectiveness, amount of waste produced by store/region, internal transaction data. And as we can see, this is going to be from our Dick's Sporting Goods operations and day-to-day transactions. And for reward program effectiveness, we're going to see the store card and see how many people actually use it and use the rewards that they are given. For potential internal unstructured data, we're going to use DSG Virtual Teammate, current vendor agreement portal, and corporate email or social media. And for social media, this is when we reach out to an abundance of potential customers. And corporate data is more internal. So potential external data sources, the EPA.gov, Kaggle, Statista, and NSGA, which stands for National Sporting Goods Association. So as we can see the data sources we use, we can see the different use cases that they're going to be most effectively impacting. So for use cases 1, identifying climate-related risk and opportunities, we can see that Starbucks reward program Kaggle, an EPA municipal waste dataset, and CO2 emission from fossil fuels Kaggle. Number 2, how to reduce waste as the company grows. Number 3, conduct climate scenario analysis to assess potential impact based on possible future climate scenarios. Number 4, exploration of alternative options for single-use plastic bags. Number 5, incentives to customers for sustainable choices. And finally, use case 6 is going to improve climate management processes. And for the prioritization matrix, as we can see, the use cases are presented in the following graph. So we can see for 4 is going to have a high implementation feasibility and a high business value. And as we can see for number 3, conduct climate scenario analysis to assess potential impact based on possible future climate. We can see that is going to have a lower implementation feasibility, but still a high business value. So for the big data strategy document, we can see that for Dick's Sporting Goods, the business strategy is protecting our own home court. And for the initiatives, we're going to assessing our environmental footprint as stewards of the planet. And key entries / desired outcomes, we have 2, and that is going to 1, eliminate single-use point-of-sale plastic bags in all stores by 2025. As we can see, this is going to be a long-term goal and not a 9 to 12-month goal. And reduce reduce GHG emissions for Dick's operations by 30% by 2020 versus 2016 baseline. And so for key decisions that are going to be made to accomplish these outcomes are: what impact does past, current, and future operations have on climate? How can we lower our footprint? And what incentives will inspire customer commitment while encouraging loyalty to the company? And as we can see, one of these things is going to be the store card, as they will gain points and able to claim their rewards. And so for the use cases, for the descriptive analysis, identify climate-related risks and opportunities, and how to reduce waste as the company grows. And for predictive analysis, conduct climate scenario analysis to assess potential impact based on possible future climate scenarios. exploration of alternative options for single-use plastic bags. And for prescriptive analysis, we're going to look at incentives to customers for sustainable choices and also improved climate management processes. And as we can see, the two data sources that we feel like are going to help us the most are going to be the EPA.gov and Kaggle. So from the big data strategy document, we can see it basically sums up the whole presentation and brings everything together and helps us have a clear path of what we're trying to accomplish. Thank you.